Welcome to Vikramaditya Publishers channel. Hi, today we discuss about step-by-step guide to applying for a student visa. Let's start the topic. Applying for a student visa is a critical step if you plan to study abroad. The process can vary depending on the country you are applying to, but here is a general step-by-step guide that outlines the typical procedures involved. 1. Research visa requirements. Determine the type of visa. Different countries have different types of student visas, example F1 for the US, Tier 4 for the UK. Identify which visa you need based on your study plans. Check eligibility. Ensure you meet the requirements for the visa, which often include proof of acceptance to an educational institution, financial stability, and health insurance. To obtain an acceptance letter. Apply to schools. You need an official acceptance letter from a recognized educational institution. Ensure that the institution is accredited and recognized by the country's immigration authorities. Confirmation of enrollment. Some countries, like Australia, require a confirmation of enrollment (COE) as proof of your acceptance. 3. Prepare financial documents. Proof of funds. You must demonstrate that you have sufficient funds to cover tuition fees, living expenses, and other associated costs. This could include bank statements, financial aid letters, or sponsorship documents. Financial guarantee. Some countries require a financial guarantee or a blocked account, especially in countries like Germany, where you might need to deposit a certain amount into a blocked account. 4. Complete the visa application form. Online application. Most countries have an online visa application system where you'll need to fill out your personal details, study plans, and financial situation. Pay the application fee. Submit the non-refundable visa application fee, which varies by country. 5. Prepare supporting documents. Passport. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay. Photographs. Recent passport-sized photographs as per the specifications. Academic documents, transcripts, diplomas, and any standardized test scores, like TOEFL, IELTS. Health insurance. Proof of health insurance coverage, either from your home country or purchased in the country where you'll be studying. 6. Submit your application. Online or in person, depending on the country, you might submit your application online, by mail, or in person at the embassy or consulate. Biometrics and interview. You may need to attend a visa interview and/or provide biometric information like fingerprints. 7. Attend the visa interview, if required. Interview preparation. Be prepared to discuss your study plans, your choice of institution, your financial situation, and your intent to return to your home country after your studies. Documents to bring. Bring all the necessary documents, including your passport, acceptance letter, proof of funds, and any other documents requested by the embassy or consulate. 8. Wait for processing. Processing time. Visa processing times can vary, so apply well in advance. It could take anywhere from a few weeks to several months. Track your application. Many countries provide online tracking of your application status. 9. Receive your visa. Check visa details. Once your visa is approved, check all the details carefully, including the visa type, validity period, and any restrictions. Plan your travel. Make travel arrangements only after receiving your visa. Ensure you arrive in the country in accordance with the visa rules. 10. Arrive and comply with visa conditions. Immigration check. Upon arrival, present your visa, passport, and any other required documentation to immigration authorities. Follow visa rules. Ensure you comply with all visa conditions, such as maintaining full-time student status, not working beyond allowed hours, and keeping your address updated with the immigration office. By following these steps carefully and preparing all necessary documentation, you can increase your chances of successfully obtaining a student visa for your chosen country of study. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel.